Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in the horizontal layout classic size happy planner. This is going to kind of be a mock spread, so to speak, because I have not been using this for journaling in quite a while. So this is just going to be like a mock spread. Maybe one day I'll journal in it, and even if I have to white out the dates. So we're going to use Violet Bliss. These are some new florals released this month in my shop. This release at the 1st of February, I actually released the full-size matching boxes and the kit. So I think I'm going to actually use the full-size boxes. I like using the bigger boxes in a horizontal layout. I don't know, it just seems easier to me to decorate using the bigger boxes. And so just as a reminder, through February, all stickers in my shop are 50% off. Yeah, for Frugal February. And I did mention in my last video that I am contemplating continuing the sale through until whenever. I'm not sure yet. I have not decided yet, but I will send out an email and let you guys know for sure if that's something that I plan on doing for the coming months, just due to the economy. I'm honestly hoping that maybe November-ish, January-ish of next year, the economy will improve, depending on that thing that happens in our country every November. Or not every November, every 4 years in November. We'll see. That's my hope, is that things will improve. We'll see what happens though. But I know that this economy is rough on everybody, and because it's rough on y'all, it's rough on me. So anything I can do to try to generate more sales in my shop and help y'all out at the same time. It's just something that I'm thinking about doing. But yeah, so at least for the month of February, stickers are 50% off in my shop. All right, so now let's take this long box here and kind of do the same thing on this side. I generally don't start with boxes in any of my other spreads except this horizontal. I like to start with boxes and then decorate around the boxes. Uh-oh. And then let's take a purple one and come up top. We're going to make both sides very similar. Similar, but not the same. That should be my motto. Similar, but not the same. I can't get this straight. Oh, the struggle is real. Probably because I'm not putting it in the right place. Here we go. Okay. And then we'll take a green one and put down here. All right, so we have boxes laid down, so we can put our boxes to the side. Oops. Oh. And then come in. I do want some quotes. I think I'm gonna use some big faith quotes. Let's see. I went ahead and cut some for myself. I love this one, Be Still. So this is Faith 5. I love Be Still and Know That I Am God, 4610. Such a good reminder to just always remember. All right, now let's go in with some florals. I think I'm gonna take this long strip these long strips that Cindy loves, don't you, Cindy? And then let's see. can't decide if I want it to stay in the box or the bottom of the page. We'll do the bottom of the page. Where's my scissors? I was super chatty in my last video, and now I'm like, don't feel chatty at all. What is up with that? All right, and then let's take this corner sticker and put down here. Oh no, don't. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oops. All right, and then I think we'll do the top corners and decorate a little bit inside of the, like near the boxes. And then I may grab some washi tape, probably some black and white washi, because I think it's gonna look really pretty with these colors. Let's see, what do I wanna do at the top? Let's do this one. We're gonna do it this way and try to use this piece down beside it. Now, I always say, if you use this as a journal and you run out of room to write because you put too many florals down, you can always add a filler page, like just a plain lined or dot grid page in between the spread. You can decorate it to match your spread and continue writing on that. So you can always decorate as pretty and with as many stickers as you want, and then add a sheet inside the center in between the spreads so that you can continue writing more. All right, now which one do I want to use over here? I think I want to use this one. Let's do it. I'm gonna try to do the same thing and turn it a way that I can use like a big piece of the sticker down the side. Okay. Oh no, I hate when that happens. All right. Why did I do that over there? I wanted that over here. What was I thinking? Now I can't pull it up. Why did I do that, y'all? I got too much other stuff on my brain. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix this blender, and we're just gonna go across the top of the page. So we're gonna be using lots and lots of florals here. I can't believe I did that. I was not even paying attention. I was thinking about things, other things that I need to get done, and was not paying attention. I need to go let my doggies out of their little play yard. It's 3:30. I let them out at like noon, so I know they probably got to go pee. All right, and then we'll do one more. I don't know. I can't believe I did that. I think that's the first time I've ever done that. Oh well, there's a first time for everything, right? Okay. So I'm gonna have to punch those top holes too. Let me go ahead and get my crocodile out so I don't forget. I'll probably forget anyway, but maybe I won't. All right, so now what do we want to do here? Will this fit here? Yes. We're gonna put this floral right alongside there. Kind of wish I'd have moved that a little bit closer. Cut this down just a tad to fit inside there. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. And let's see, let's take this one and put it over here. So I think I'll just cut it down the center and not try to be all complicated with my cuts. So pretty. I cut that crooked even with a pair of scissors. Imagine that. Go figure. I know you're not surprised because I'm not. Straight cuts have never been my forte. Yep, I love it. It's a lot of florals. It's a lot of florals. So I used a whole big sheet. And I am going to still put, I think, a little bit of something something down here and a little something something here. I think maybe something here. All right, let's take this one and we'll cut it down the center and we'll use it on both sides. Let's try to cut it a little straighter than the last one. All right, so let's take the bigger piece and go over here. And then we'll take this piece, and I think I'm gonna take and put it right here to kind of offset so that I have it like that. So it can look like it's just wrapping around the box, and so is this one. Look how pretty this is. All right, let's do a little bit of washi. So I only used one sticker off of that sheet. I kind of feel like that's wasteful. But if I were using this as a journal, and if I do use this as a journal, I will probably decorate the insert, the half sheet insert. And I do want a little bit more black over here, so I think what I'm going to do is grab one of my words of the year and put down here somewhere. I think we're going to take this one and just put it right down here. Now I have black on both sides, and then let's grab, I almost feel like I want to use, for some reason, purple and this leopard washi just looks so pretty together, but I want a thinner washi. So, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm yawning again. Maybe I'll use this one. This one's kind of like spotty dotty. We'll use this one. Okay, let me go ahead and punch these holes before I forget and get this thing out of the way. Yeah, my punch is like gummy from cutting stickers for years, so it doesn't fully cut through the punch, and that's a little bit frustrating, but I'm not going to go buy a new one. We'll just remedy it that way. Okay, now let's do a little bit of this washi inside the boxes to make our boxes pop. It's going to be so cute. I love the way washi looks inside my boxes. Oh no, I ripped that purple box. Oh well. And then we'll go here. All right. And then I'm going to do the same thing to these two boxes over here and call this spread done. I need to find some more of this washi. I'm almost out. Well, not almost out, but, you know. I like it so much, I need to find some more. Okay. All right, so let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I think it's adorable. I love the way it turned out. I was kind of worried about it there in the beginning when I just had boxes laid down, but once you add florals to anything, it just looks, I don't know, it's just so pretty. I do see one thing I want to do right here, though. See how I've got like florals hanging down the corner there and not over here? I want something hanging down. So I'm going to take this and just let it kind of hang down. Just so that my sides kind of look similar. And then I did accidentally leave a gap up there, and I don't like gaps. So we're going to fix that gap just like that. Perfect. Okay. All right, now let's put it back in here and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you love florals and planners, please hit that subscribe button. Head over to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com. You can sign up for emails, sneak peeks, and special coupons. Remember, all stickers in my shop through the month of February at least are 50% off. So that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.